Hello and welcome to Selection with Sathi. Today we will learn about Python references, mutability, and copies. This is one of the most misunderstood topics in Python. Understanding how variables work under the hood will save you from many subtle bugs. Let's dive in. The most important concept: variables in Python are labels, not boxes. When you write a equals a list, you are not putting the list into a box called A. Instead, you are attaching the label A to a list object that lives in memory. Multiple variables can point to the same object. This is called aliasing. ID of an object returns its unique memory address. The is operator checks identity. Are these the same object in memory? Is equal to checks equality. Do these objects have the same value? If A is B, then A is equal to B is always true. But the reverse is not true. Two different lists with the same values are equal but not identical. The rule always use is only for none. For everything else, use is equal to. Copy.copy creates a shallow copy, a new outer container but shared inner objects. Copy.deepcopy creates a deep copy. It recursively copies everything, including nested structures. List slice with empty brackets and list.copy are both shallow copies. Deep copy even handles circular references using an internal memo dictionary. The mutable default argument trap is a classic Python gotcha. When you write definite f items equals empty list, that empty list is created once at function definition time. Every call shares the same list object. The fix: use none as the default, then create a new list inside the function body. Definite f items equals none, then items equals items or empty list.
The aliasing surprise. A equals a list 1, 2, 3. Then B equals A. This does not copy the list. B is just another label pointing to the same list. When we call B.append 4, A also becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Because A and B reference the same object in memory. Deep copy in action with nested lists. Original is a list containing two inner lists, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Shallow equals copy.copy of original. Outer list is new, inner lists are shared. Deep equals copy.deepcopy. Everything is cloned. When we append 99 to original bracket 0, shallow sees the change but deep does not. Dale and garbage collection. A equals a list 1, 2, 3. B equals A, both labels point to the same list. Dale removes the label A, not the list object itself. B still works because the list has one remaining reference. Python's garbage collector only destroys an object when all references to it are gone. Weak references with the weakref module. Create a set, then wr equals weakref.ref of that set. Calling wr parentheses returns the set. The weak reference lets you peek without preventing cleanup. After dela, the set is garbage collected, and wr parentheses returns none. This is useful for catches that shouldn't prevent objects from being freed.
Remember these key tips. Think of variables as labels on objects, not boxes holding values. Use is only for none checks. Use is equal to for value comparisons. Use deep copy when you need a truly independent clone of nested data. Never use mutable defaults in function signatures. Always use none as the sentinel. For more concept videos like this, download the Selection with Sathi app. Like and subscribe. Thank you.